Check short, guys. I'm on the lane. Let me show y'all something. I'm gonna tell y'all something real quick. All right, check this out. This customer, y'all see that light right there? Washer fluid low light. That light, that's what that light means, guys. Imagine if customers would take that, use that same energy when they coolant temperature gauge is in the H. This gauge right here, there are people that would drive their car in the H, but would panic like hell when the damn washer fluid light on. You know how many engines we can save if people will put that same energy toward this washer fluid low light, toward this coolant temp light? It's crazy, man. So I'm about to go top off the washer fluid. Hopefully that light will go out. But it's amazing. I had a customer, engine is completely burned up because there wasn't enough light to alert her that there's no coolant in her car. Mind you, there's no coolant level sensor on cars today, all right? But there is, however, washer fluid low level sensor on the car. Go figure. Did that make much sense? Why didn't they put effort into that coolant temp? Just a random thought, man.